Hi my beauties, welcome from the Netherlands, and my name is Jan Benham from Purèz Cosmetics, and today I thought I'd show you how we use our Velvet Diffuse Veils. So these are more skincare than makeup, but they do have an effect of a little bit like makeup, but they're also really nourishing to the skin. So I just want to talk about what I do first. So before I apply any makeup in the morning, I use my phytotherapy toning lotion, and I usually put this directly onto a damp cotton wool, and I just massage my face with it. It's so lovely, it refreshes the skin, and also it doesn't affect the microbiome of the skin. So it keeps the skin live. It smells delicious. It's got geranium in, which is both good for balancing dry and oily skin. And then afterwards, I then apply my phytotherapy revitalizing face and eye cream, and I use it around my eyes as well as the rest of my face. And I also remember to put it onto my neck area and around here. So in France, this is considered your face as well as here. So everything. Right, so how do we apply it? Well, first of all, we have something called Brighten-Up, and this has got a lot of yellow in it. You can't tell. And how we actually use this, it's so I'm doing this now instead of doing my mineral makeup. I just break the seal of the makeup, and I take a chunk out, and then I place it into the middle of my hand and warm it up. Now I tend to use a designated concealer brush. So this concealer brush has already got the product on it, and I take a little bit of the product, and then I paint it. I stab it onto the area that needs any covering, any brightening. So any blemishes, any redness, I just literally, you can see it's already, I just cleaned my skin so it's a little bit red. So anywhere I feel that I need an open pores, it helps really diffuse those. Anywhere around the nose area. You could use it on your chin. Anywhere you want to have a little bit brightening action, around here. So I'm using my hand as the palette underneath, just in this inside here. So I'm kind of using it as a concealer a little bit. Now I use my fingers to smooth over or pat it on. It will melt into the skin, so you don't have to worry about anything looking like streaks or anything like that. Just tap it on there. And you can use your finger to apply, as you can see. So that's the first stage. So this Brighten Up is is one of the most useful parts of this Velvet Diffuse range. And then we're going to apply our so-called foundation. It's not a foundation. We have different shades. This one is called Pearl, and I'm trying it out really for the first time to see if the color works for me. And again, you dip it in just like you did with the Brighten Up. Take a chunk. Again, you can put it on top of the other one. It's the same product, basically, it's just a different color. So it all builds up on itself. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my larger foundation brush. I'm going to take a little bit, swirl it in there. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over the area that needs most coverage. So on top of where I put the yellow concealer, And I work the middle of the face first, and then you can then work out. I'm not going to add any more than what I've done just now. So I'm just dabbing it on. And it feels very nice on. It goes on, it is like a cream, and it melts into your skin, so you don't feel like you've got makeup on. As I said, it's not a foundation. I'm just gonna make sure there's no. And you can see here, there's not really any coverage, so it's very, very light. So this is the no makeup look. It really is no makeup. Now I'm going to get to get colour in, I've got something called Sunglow. It's the same as colour as our Sunglow bronzer powder. And this is in the veil format. So this is the bronzer in the veil format. Exactly the same procedure as the other. Take a little bit in there, a little chunk there. Again, you can put it on top of the other. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pat it where I would want my bronzer to be. A little bit here. And here actually you can just use your finger. I tend to do that more than using a brush because I find it just melts on the skin really nicely. I've even used this as a eyeshadow too. It's quite nice. And you can build up. So if I feel like I want to add more, I can. But I'm going to be adding something else as well now. Now I have, I'm going to add a little blush, and this is called the Rose. So again, same as before, take a little bit. This is pretty intense, more intense than the others. Put a little bit on my hand, take a little bit. I'm just going to add a little touch on top of my bronzer and just massage it in there. Again, you could use your brush just to blend it in if you wanted to. So it's looking quite nice now. So that is getting a nice look. Again, if I want to add a little bit more bronzer to it, I could add a little bit more if I wish to. But I'm just going to keep it like that now. Now, last thing is, this is another form that you could use also. This is called Blossom. It's the same color as our Blossom lipstick, Velvet Blossom lipstick. This could also be used as a cheek, as a blush, but it can also be used as a lipstick. So I've got a little bit of this color on already as a lipstick, but I'm just going to put this on top. And just so you can see how it looks. I'm just take a little bit of my finger and I'm going to dab it on. So that is, we used 5, gosh. So we used 5 products basically today. And they all mix together. So if you find that you still need a little brightening in areas, you can go back to the Brighten Up and add a little bit where you need that. Or you can add a little bit more blusher, we could add a little bit more foundation. So you can play with them quite a bit here. And as I said, I've even been known to use the Sunglow as an eyeshadow, and it's quite pretty as an eyeshadow. So let me know what you think. So this is my no makeup look. More skincare than makeup. Oh, another point before I go away is that this works really well if your skin is very, very dry. You know, you've got older skin, it's very, very dry, and you're finding the powder doesn't work anymore, although I don't really have a problem with the powder. But if you want this sort of dewiness, and it does feel nice and dewy, and it feels so soft and silky. And it's very, very good for the skin. It's very healing for the skin. There's no essential oils in, no fragrance in, but it's got a lot of good nutrients that help to, it's got castor oil in it, which really helps to nourish the skin as well as adding a little bit of life to the skin. So let me know what you know. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And it's bye for now from the Netherlands.